here is what I eat in a day, trying to eat healthier. Starting off my morning with an iced coffee with vanilla protein powder and a third cup of milk. Okay guys, so it is now lunch, so I am having some shrimp fried rice with some kimchi and some Korean beef dumplings. It is now 3 p.m. I need a little snack, so I have a tiny little bowl of popcorn, some meat sticks, and some watermelon. Man, I love watermelon. Okay, so it is now dinner, and I am having a pasta dish with some bow tie pasta, some cheese, tomato sauce, and sausage. I think this tastes better because the bow ties are different colors.